The photography and videography communities are on the edge of their seats as Nikon prepares to revolutionize hybrid imaging with the introduction of the Nikon Z6V, unofficially known as the Z6 III Cine edition. This upcoming model isn't just an upgrade. It's a bold step forward, merging Nikon's esteemed optical craftsmanship with the cinematic prowess of red digital cinema. Designed for filmmakers, content creators, and professionals who demand top-tier performance, this camera is expected to redefine what a hybrid mirrorless camera can achieve. Slated for a late 2025 release, the Nikon Z6V is positioned to bridge the gap between high-end mirrorless cameras and professional cinema rigs, offering unparalleled versatility for creatives. A fresh take on design and build, quality unlike traditional DSLR-styled bodies, the Nikon Z6V is expected to adopt a sleek, modular design reminiscent of Sony's FX3 or Nikon's own APS-C Z30. By omitting the electronic viewfinder, EVF, Nikon aims to streamline the camera's profile for rig-mounted setups and gimbal work. The camera's magnesium alloy construction ensures durability, while heat-dissipating vents and an internal cooling system tackle the overheating issues that plague long-duration 6K recording. Additionally, multiple 1/4-inch 20 and ARRI standard mounting points will allow seamless integration with external accessories, including monitors, follow focus systems, and advanced audio interfaces. Nikon has also refined the grip for improved ergonomics, making handheld shooting more comfortable. Dedicated video-centric controls, including a tally light, a front-mounted rotary wheel for adjusting aperture or built-in ND filters, and a dedicated ISO dial enhance its usability for videographers. Advanced imaging capabilities. At its core, the Nikon Z6V will feature a 24.5 megapixel partially stacked CMOS sensor, striking a balance between affordability and high performance. Unlike the fully stacked sensors found in the Nikon Z8 and Z9, this design offers an accelerated readout speed approximately 3.5 times faster than its predecessor, the Z6 II. This speed boost enables full-width 6K 60p RAW recording and an improved 14-bit electronic shutter with a flash sync speed of 1/160s. While it may not match the ultra-fast 1/250s sync speed of fully stacked sensors, it will be a significant upgrade for hybrid creators who value superior dynamic range and color depth across both photography and videography applications. Paired with the powerful XSpeed 7 image processor, the sensor is expected to deliver blazing fast burst rates up to 20 FPS in RAW and 60 FPS in JPEG format. For videographers, the Z6V will push the envelope by integrating RED's proprietary REDcode RAW technology. This highly efficient compression format enables filmmakers to capture stunning 16-bit color depth at lower bit rates without compromising image quality. This combination of Nikon's imaging prowess and RED's encoding expertise is set to make post-production workflows smoother and more efficient. Professional-grade video features. A key highlight of the Nikon Z6V is the incorporation of RED's renowned color science, a game-changer for videographers who prioritize rich skin tones, smooth gradients, and cinematic saturation. Unlike simple color profiles, this new approach represents an end-to-end color pipeline optimized for professional editing workflows in DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro. The Nikon Z6V will also support anamorphic shooting, featuring 2x squeeze options and customizable aspect ratios for widescreen productions without cropping resolution. Filmmakers will have access to extensive resolution and frame rate options, including 6K at 60p full width, 4K at 120p with 1.1x crop, Full HD at 240p for extreme slow motion, DCI 4K mode 4096x to 160 resolution for true cinema production, shutter, angle controls and false color displays to assist seasoned cinematographers. One of the most innovative features of the Z6V is its built-in ND filters, eliminating the need for external filters. This will be a significant advantage for run-and-gun shooters adapting to constantly changing lighting conditions. Stabilization and audio enhancements. While the Nikon Z6 III's 5-axis in-body stabilization, IBIS, remains, the Z6V takes things further by incorporating gyro-based data logging. This feature allows post-production software like Catalyst Browse to apply advanced stabilization without distorting the image, giving editors precise control over stabilization effects. Audio capabilities are another area of improvement. The Z6V will support 32-bit float recording via upgraded preamps, a substantial leap over the 24-bit audio capabilities of its predecessor. This eliminates concerns about audio clipping and ensures clean sound capture in unpredictable recording environments. Additionally, the camera will feature dual USB-C ports, one dedicated to high-speed data transfer and external SSD recording, while the other will support Nikon's new XLR audio adapter for professional-grade sound capture. Connectivity and display upgrades. Nikon has also overhauled the connectivity features of the Z6V. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, users will experience faster wireless transfers, and a new camera-to-cloud feature will allow direct uploads to platforms like Frame.io and Adobe Creative Cloud, facilitating seamless remote collaboration. The camera's 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen will be brighter and sharper than its predecessor, designed for enhanced visibility in outdoor environments. The updated UI will prioritize video-centric tools, including waveform monitors, zebras, and audio meters. A cinema mode will simplify the interface by removing photo-specific settings and emphasizing essential video parameters like frame rates, codecs, and LUT management. Lens compatibility and autofocus. Enhancements. Lens compatibility will be a major advantage of the Nikon Z6V. It will natively support Nikon's ZC series cinema primes, which feature geared focus rings and D-clicked apertures. Additionally, via an adapter, it will be compatible with RED's PL mount lenses, expanding creative possibilities for professionals. Autofocus will inherit Nikon's advanced 493-point hybrid AF system, featuring subject tracking optimized for humans, animals, and vehicles, perfect for documentary work and fast-moving environments where lighting conditions fluctuate. Pricing and market position. The Nikon Z6V is expected to be priced at approximately $3,499, positioning it between the $2,500 Z6 III and RED's $5,995 Komodo X. Its direct competitors, the Sony FX3 and Canon EOS R5C, offer similar specifications but lack RED's superior color science and built-in ND filters. However, Nikon faces some challenges. The absence of an EVF might deter photographers, and RED's proprietary workflow has a steeper learning curve for newcomers. Additionally, battery life could be a concern, as 6K 60p recording is power-intensive and may require external power solutions. Final thoughts. The Nikon Z6V is not just another camera. It represents Nikon's bold foray into the cinema market. By integrating RED's cutting-edge technology without compromising Nikon's signature ergonomic design, the Z6V signals a commitment to professional filmmakers. If it delivers on its promises, this camera could redefine what's possible in the mirrorless market, offering an exceptional blend of portability, power, and professional features. For those seeking a compact yet high-performing hybrid camera for filmmaking, commercial projects, and content creation, the Nikon Z6V might just be the ultimate all-in-one solution. Thanks for watching.